morning, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to this new live stream of the day. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Welcome back. So first things of all, we're gonna check the daily chart of MNQ. We're gonna evaluate how is the situation. We had a gap fill. I was looking to fill that gap fill, and unfortunately, seems that it already did it or something like that. It already broke the previous day's low. We're gonna put previous day's low here, and it already did it. So we're gonna have to be careful around that. I'm looking for possibly a little bit more short side, and if it's the short side is not really appearing, might look for possible long to get back this candle to the green side. We have a big push, we have resistance, we have a lot of liquidity here above for sure. If we want to come lower, maybe wants to stop all these people here, but I'm looking for a little bit of downside there first. If I go to the 1 hour chart, good morning, Zog. Zog 48. I'm looking for that little downside continuation here. The gap fill has not been completely filled. So what I see right now here is the possibility of coming to the gap fill, and the gap fill is somewhere here. That's the gap fill. So at 598, does it want to give us a little bit push, stopping these people, giving us a closing candle, and take a quick trade short to the downside? I would be very happy to take something like that. I'll be very happy to take something like that. I would love just to see some highs to be taken, and if we go to the 15-minute chart, yeah, to see this 15-minute chart to be taken would be amazing, so that we can get a trade to the downside. So yesterday gold, I had an amazing reading gold. Unfortunately, I didn't take trades on it. So let's go to the gold chart. Definitely we're still very bullish, very bullish. We had as well a gap fill here, it seems, in gold. We're gonna go to the 1 hour chart and see what's happening there. Came lower. We created a double bottom now. That's very nice. Now we created a nice double bottom there, and that's I like to see. I like to see that. We have now a double top. And let's see how this candle forms in this hour chart. If we see this candle come back and close in green, that can be interesting. Definitely interesting. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 15-minute chart here and see what's doing. We definitely had a push. We didn't make any highs. We have a double top there. How many people shorting there? All-time highs. Let's see what wants the market do. Wants to come back here, close above, and give us an entry. The only problem is that will give us a huge risk reward here. Doesn't make sense to you have these less than 1. So I'm gonna keep it there, but I'm not sure about I'm gonna trade it yet. MNQ, looking for a little bit more short downside here. Let's see what it wants to do. Does it want to stop out the previous 15 minutes candle there? It's doing it right now. Does it want to do it? So I would love to see this a little bit push here. I would love to see these things to push a little bit more, give us a closing candle. I might take a short there here, yeah. That's what I'm looking for, to be honest. How are you guys? Everything good? How is life? How are you, non-cares? What's up? 2 people right now. Where is everyone? It's okay. Few but good. Crazy Duck Race, yeah. $100. That was a nice giveaway. It's always like that. The duck race is useless until the last 10 seconds. You can do a duck race of 10 seconds and it's fine. Hello, Paul. Strategy say or want to be in a trade answer? What do you mean that? I'm just waiting right now to see if we are going to come back and close lower this level. This level here mostly, I would say. This level here too. Are we going now and close lower? And I would be happy to take a short. Previous day's low. Area of resistance. I might take it right away, to be honest, even if it's market open. Up to the gap fill. Oh! Will you be trading tomorrow? Yes. It's half day, but I will be there. Now, let's see. I might take it, guys. This one even market prior market. That's crazy. I have like, how many contracts I need to get there? Wow. Are we speaking about a mini contract? If it's a mini contract, I might just take it with one mini. I might take it, guys, even before market open, because I like it. Resistance, prior days, lows. We grab the previous 15 minutes there. And in 5 minutes, we're closing. One more minute and 33. I might really do it, huh? I just need to see that candle closing. Half day full pay. Hopefully, my friend. Let's see this level. If this candle wants to close lower or not. Looking for a short. "28 seconds. I just want this candle to close lower that level. It's not happening. 17 seconds. Nine, 3, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the candle is not closing, so we're gonna wait other 3 minutes. Good morning, good one. Morning, guys. Hope you are doing well. Well, I'm looking for shorts. It's true as well that these when I look at this, I can say as well that this can be, you know, liquidity grab of the previous day's low, and this candle turning green. But that's why I'm waiting for it to see the candle closing lower. So if I see the candle closing low, we have a nice double top here. We have the gap fill not totally filled. So we have a potential to more downside. We have the gap fill of ES as well. Oh, gap fill ES, it was not filled. Oh yeah. So more downside is potential because of ES as well. Alaikum salam, Nabil. How are you, man? Okay, now we're pushing. Let it do what it wants to do. 1 more minute and 30 seconds, market opens, and we'll start to look at what we can do, guys. Let's see, market opening in a few seconds, 54 seconds, guys. I'm ready to trade anything that is interesting for me. Good morning. What do you think of today? I'm gonna short all the way down to previous privilege. I'm gonna be crazy. I'm looking for short only below this level in IQ, the 630 area. I want this to close lower to think about short. Above, I'm gonna be careful to what happens. Below this level, I'm looking for shorts. Good morning, Mufti. Mufti the cat. Yesterday, I stepped by mistake. I stepped on the cat of this hostel, and the cat is disappeared. I think now he's scared of me. He freaking bited me and everything. By the way, I don't know if you saw my. I didn't push it here, guys. But in 2 days, I saw 2 tarantulas. In 2 days, I saw 2 tarantulas. Yeah, and it was a black cat. But yeah, 2 tarantulas in 2 days. Monkeys. It's a very place in the middle. I mean, I can do the live stream in the co-working place, guys, and you will have an amazing view. But I checked the upload speed and it's not amazing. So I'm worried that if I go there, like the live stream goes up and down all the time, and I don't want that. Ooh, oh my God, guys, we have to switch our bias. We have to switch to long. We have to switch to long, guys. Why we have to switch long? Because we are just having a huge push. And what is happening is that we already turned the candle red to green. You've seen it? The candle was huge red, and now we have it red to green. Now we have a green candle. So everything we had in mind goes to the bullshit. We have to adapt. We're gonna see what we're gonna evaluate right now. Now we have red to green, like no time. So right now I'm gonna look for potential continuation long to the previous day's highs here. And see what we can get an entry somewhere there. And that's how trading works. We have to adapt to what it happens. Look at this hour candle. That is kind of true because, you know, I was thinking about the fact that we came and grabbed the previous day's low. We can continue and look at this trend line here getting liquidated now and broken. That's crazy. That's crazy. So right now I'm gonna wait, guys, and see what the markets wants to do, and we evaluate. Definitely there is like area of support there. Oh, crazy candle. Well, how much was that? 93 points in a 3 minutes candle. So thanks God I did not short, and I waited for this to close below the level. Wow. What a candle. Were you long, guys? If any of you was long, I mean, you made money if you were long there. If not, it's okay. Definitely that was beautiful. As well, gold is correcting from the huge bullish momentum. So there's no price action right now there in gold that makes it interesting for me. Unfortunately, there is no. So now let's see what Enki wants to do, and we will evaluate step by step. I'm long until previous day's high. So previous day's high is at 579. So your stop loss is below here, below the lows. Just watch me lose that. Watch me losing money, losing money, losing money. Now it's a matter of waiting. We're gonna get one entry signal. It's just a matter of waiting and no rush. Ah. I should change the title to tomorrow video if I do it then in the co-working, like live trading from the forest of Brazil. Maybe this one will catch some ice. Yeah, this, you know what annoys me yesterday is this fact of I took the first 3 trades on NQ, but then this beautiful trade came out, grabbed its lows, closed above the level, and then it just went to take profit. Continue, chopped out around. What was the level? It was here. Came to this level. Grabbed some lows on the level, and then start to rise again. What it wants to do right now? This is gold. I'm gonna let gold do whatever it wants to do. I don't know about taking any trades right now on gold. Definitely we have a lot of push higher, so I'm gonna leave it there. I'm not sure. Zog. I look at this NQ. Only 6 minutes has passed, not even 5 minutes. Would be nice if we can hold this level, show us an entry, and then we take it to the previous day's highs. Stop loss, risk reward. That would be amazing. We have to wait right now. Money traffics. Oh. Now we're pushing on that pre-market level. This area here, if you go to the hour chart, we're gonna see it better. That is the important of looking at higher time frame, is that when you go to higher time frame, you see the area even more clear. You see it. Now you have the wicks. You have like, okay, this is good chance this is the area. Somewhere here. Wicks or wicks. Even here you want to be a bit more aggressive, but you can make it a little bit spread. Something like this. And now like, okay, if we hold these, we might try to push higher. Or this becomes a liquidity grab to come back lower, but I don't think so, because we really pushed high here. We grabbed the previous lows, and now we are pushing. We're definitely holding right now. Thank you, brother. I'm looking for this long, see if it comes, but we have no resistance now. Look at this resistance playing a role right now. It's playing a role. Guys, next year, $200,000 payout. Minimum. By June, $200,000 payout. By June. I'm gonna request 40K payouts every month. And then request $500,000 payout in July. And then I will do a 100,000, inshallah, $100,000 giveaway on a duck race. Imagine A dark race can change your life. $100,000 giveaway. Oh. Thank you for you. You don't want 100? You would have a lot of viewers. Yes. If you decide to make a $100,000 giveaway, yeah, people will go crazy. I mean, I will have a lot of viewers if I start to get payouts as well. Or we do a dark race of the OGs, the people that are here now. Yeah, 10K to be honest is enough to change someone's life. It would have been enough for me to change my life 1 year and a half ago. I had 10K in my bank account instead of having $200. Would have changed my life entirely. More relaxed. You can say that you are profitable duck race competitor. What's your sport at duck race? OG duck race OG. A lot of resistance there, guys. A lot of selling coming. A lot of selling pressure here. See how many weeks? A week. A lot of selling pressure. Interesting. Oh. ES is pushing right now. It might bring a NQ as well. ES is pushing already to previous days highs, guys. ES is already pushing to previous days highs. No, it already broke previous days highs. Yes, it's just pre-market highs. ES has a totally different situation right now than NQ. Imagine a virtual duck has the power of changing your life. Now we are rejecting some selling pressure there. We've taken this previous high, but not these highs here. Is this enough to come back and take us to a low side? Oh. Mm-hmm. Still, we are there in between. A lot of selling pressure here, guys. We need to get some buyers stepping in and getting stopped out more. What are you looking for right now in this trade? Now, ES is on all-time highs. Sorry, not all-time highs, sorry. Previous days highs and pre-market highs. So you see ES how is on this previous highs right now. Let's see what it wants to do. What does it want to fake out people right now and come back lower? All-time highs there in ES? I didn't know that ES was such a close at all-time highs. Yeah, ES is very close to all-time highs, guys. I didn't expect that. I thought it was much further. Definitely a lot of potential there's on NQ because we have a lot of resistance here on the top. Selling, look at how much selling we have there. People are getting squeezed and getting. Let's see what he wants to do. Oh. Are we pushing? Are we pushing right now, finally? Only 50 minutes have passed, huh? That's the crazy situation. This is still inside the 50 minutes range. This is still 15 minutes range. And we are now getting to the 50 minutes highs. Closing the candle right now. Looks very bullish. It wants to break the 15 minutes range. And we're breaking it right now. With my old strategy, I will be long right now. Let's see. I will be long right now. I will be stop loss. What is the stop loss? What is it? I'm on 60 ticks. No. Take 60 ticks here. Strategy of last year that made me money. And 60 and 40. That was the strategy of last year. Losing 15 points to make 40. And it made me money. It made me $20,000 payout. That would have been amazing, huh? The pump was insane. Old strategy would have stopped me out. Yeah, and I made $22,000 payout last year with that. That's the funny things. ES is pushing, guys. ES is pushing to all-time highs there, just there above. It can be that it can give me an entry as well to continue on this NQ push. Let's see. Or I do crazy Phoenix and I start to short. I start to short. Wow. I'm looking for some continuation long, guys. I'm just waiting. There is no need to rush and take trades and then regret later. I lost balance. That's my problem right now. Why I'm not getting closer to payout in this period. Just because sometimes I take trades that I should not take. But my accounts luckily are in a good state. Probably the best state they've ever been. Almost. My account here, it was close at 22,000. Give back some profit, but we are there. One good trade, we're back at 22,000, 52,000. Let's see right now if he wants to do something around here, would be amazing. A nice pullback and then a continuation higher. It would be amazing, but there is no expectation on the market. We react to what wants to do, and then we play. And we play the game. We play the game of patience. We might don't see this come back anymore. We might don't see this come back anymore. Previous day's highs there. I'm looking for, but we might just don't get an entry, so we have to be relaxed about that. Here there was no actual entry. Maybe in the 1 minute chart it created an entry. If we go, yeah, maybe in the 1 minute, not even, did not even come grab this low. Nah, there was no entry at all. Giants, all of your accounts are funded accounts. How long did it take you until you were funded? How long it took me to get funded? It took me a while. A few months maybe. Then I mean, the first funded accounts I got them by luck, by YOLO them. They don't count, I think. But yeah, there is an idea of getting funded is the hard part. Getting funded is the easy part. You can just YOLO some accounts. The hard part is getting payouts. Everyone can be funded. You can take a long here and go or YOLO and pass. But getting that payout with consistency and trading, that's the hard part. But that's why what I always advise is, if you start trading, take your evaluation like if it's a funded account. Don't listen to people to tell you, why are you losing time? Yeah, I'm not yet consistent to think about payouts. So don't listen to people tell you just go YOLO. You're just spending money on evaluations and activation when you're not ready to get payouts. So take yourself slow, step by step. Take your evaluation. Try to pass it in 1 month so you don't pay the renewal, and you keep it going like that. We are still then 80% off with Apex, and I'm showing you 80%, and maybe it's not there anymore. Maybe it's the last day. Yeah, it's the last day. 80% there with Apex. Yeah, last day. My code is Hamza, the sexiest code ever. So we're getting nice finding a pullback here. Is this a fake out? Fake out of the fake out? No, I think it is like still a continuation long, guys. I'm looking for this to do something like that. Woo, skyrocket. I will be happy to take that if it does happen. If it does not happen, we will take whatever it takes. I'm funded with FitMio. Indeed difficult to get frequent payout, but Action seems having more difficult. I really don't know about other platforms. I know FTMO is one of the hardest one. Apex can sound hard, but Apex honestly just enforce you basic rules of consistency and risk management. That usually, honestly, the consistency rules does not even bother me. The 30% analyzed loss does not even bother me. Because all rules, these rules of Apex, people they go crazy. Apex has this rule. Apex has these rules. Yeah, these rules are all made for degenerate people. If you are someone with risk management, this rule does not even touch you. I don't even worry about a rule with Apex. I risk $300 per trade to make 500, 400, 600. None of the rule will go against this. Correct risk management, correct reward. Yeah, it's only for people that are like, oh, this is my account. I want to, if out of 2,500, I want to lose all the 2,500 to make money. Yeah, that means you're just YOLOing accounts. That's not good. Don't do that. Don't do that. Seems the level is a bit more lower. It's more here. You see it? So we're gonna compensate, and we will look if we can see a beautiful long appearing, guys. Can we get a long? Nope. Just wait. 43 seconds to see this candle closing. This is not my entry candle anyway, so I just need to see this a little bit of a push, come back, stop out these people that are trying to buy for a continuation higher, and then I step in. What do you mean? Are you orders long or short? Are you looking for longs or short? Oh, this is a huge fair value gap like people like to see. Yellow for the rest of 10 a.m. in 6 minutes. Allah, I like to hear that, my friend. I'm happy to hear that. 5 seconds here, the candle's closing. 3, 2, 1. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Some buyers stepped in this candle. Long. Some buyers stepped in here. Does it wants to come back? Stop them out. Close above. Long in Dow. It's been a long time I have not put Dow. YM. YM. It's our Dow in future. What is it? That's micro. Yeah, let's go to micro. Long in Dow. By the way, let's see how Dow moves with one micro contract. From the bottom to here, one micro contract made you $86. This is like 50 cents per contract. That's you give you some rooms. YM. Interesting. Maybe the fair value gap 680 there for Jose. Jose, are you gonna take a long there? Yeah, not anymore. I was expecting more, but NQ is seems more like the crazy now. It was before a lot Dow, but now how is the points on Dow? 25,000, 30,000, 48,000, but still not that volatile I was expecting. Moving quite slow. 680 is the entry of Jose. Candle closing in 50 seconds. It's coming down. It's coming lower, guys. And gold is not giving me anything, so I'm not interested for the moment in gold to take any trades. Closing the hourly candle in gold very bearish. Very bearish. So that's gonna be interesting. In 3 minutes and 20 seconds, we are closing that hourly candle in gold. Very, very bearish. Ten seconds for this 3 minutes candle. 680 is almost there for Jose. What is your stop loss and take profit, Jose? Now you're in. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Stop loss is 600. Oh, okay. You have the low of the day. Okay. Oh. Oh, you're definitely much more swinging right now, right? Like you have a large stop loss and large profits. That's what you do now. One NQ. Wow. Okay. So you're already up $350 there. No, 200. Yeah, 280. Fair value gap. I'm looking for this 1 hour. Just enter long 5 macros. Good luck, Nabil. as well. U5 macros, which is the best. I'm looking and waiting to see what this 1 hour chart candle wants to do. And let's see, the free 30 minutes as well is going to be bullish. 30 minutes is this one. Yeah, that's very not the best candle. We took previous market highs and now we're turning red. Yeah. "45 seconds. Then we have the news. And I still have not taken any trades. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. in 24 seconds. Ricardo has something here as well. 8 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The news is out. Is this wanna do something or just wanna play that around? No short Hamza, not yet. Not yet, my friend Nick. That's because I mean the shorts is getting more as well in ES is getting interesting. I see your point of idea of shorts, to be honest, of this previous one we're taking. But as well at the same time, I don't have an actual target here. I mean, we have still a gap fill lower to be filled. We still have a little bit of gap fill to be filled. We have, yeah, this, yeah, that's a good point. Just did not convince me, to be honest. This now 50 minutes is getting sexy. We come to the low side. We have a double bottom here. We have a double bottom too. Yeah. Look at 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. It's like here, you mean? So you took this you took the short? The heck? Yeah, you took the short. I see that. That's beautiful, man. You can hold it for a while now. I think it's a very great short idea there. I think you have a really good. I don't know if they will taken the short with you. I mean, this candle closed nicely. That was already a beautiful. How much risk reward there was already there? Was risking. Great aim for the double top, double bottom here. 362, really crazy. I was risking. Let's see, 5 contracts. And I will be already up $600 right now. Crazy. Crazy. That's crazy. Already. Well, I mean, I know I'll be already out now because if I risk $300 right now that my accounts, I don't want to break consistency to make them harder. I would have gone out already right now. Yeah, no, I did not see the trade, to be honest. You do well, my friend. Follow your instinct. Don't watch the live stream and focus on your trade. I think it's the best way, man. Right now, I have to unfortunately regret I've not taken that short. Wow, it's coming lower faster. Yeah, that was beautiful, guys. No, it's okay. You've done what the best you know until here. You can improve next trade. That was beautiful. That was beautiful, man. That was beautiful trade. I didn't take it, unfortunately, but well, let's see on the next one. We still have a nice more potential to the short side. We have this gap fill lower and everything. I don't know. I had a line for the gap fill. Where the heck it went? I had a line here. This is the gap fill. Yeah, you did well. You did well. I'm looking. That's to be honest, I didn't see the. Honestly, I did not see the short. I was still worried about this hour candle to be bullish, very strong. So I waited. I was very short bias here on the low side, but I turned more buying side here. I was looking to get a buy up to these highs again because this one was not yet taken. And I was like, okay, we can maybe find an entry again here to take us along. And when this was taken, yeah, opportunity came out, but it's okay. Short here, I've been using tick chart to pass evaluation. I don't know why I haven't tried it with my PAs. Find your habit, my friend, your soul. You find your word and keep doing tick chart or whatever chart. Just make money, my friend. Just make money. Make money, please. Just make money. Yeah, good chance we're gonna close without trades today. This would have been amazing, but peace and love. Peace and love. This is like a $1,000, $1,110. But I cannot. If I take $1,110, then I will be like, yeah. For example, for a trade like this, if I'm aiming for the lows, then I have to reduce my risk as well. I will be like, okay, I want to risk $180 to make $700. So my yeah, no worries. 2 days trade is nothing, man. Just accept it. It's normal. You can have 5, 6 of them. I think 19 consecutive red days. I lost my mind. But I had 19. 19, I think it was like 3 weeks. More than 3 weeks of just having red days. Red days. It was hard. Now we just wait, guys. We just wait and see what wants to do. There is a gap lower as well in ES that has to be filled. So in ES, we didn't grab any gap. As well a point. I look if there is any more walking around. The gap is here. You see it? It's there's a big gap here. It was not filled in ES yesterday or in this morning. So we still have potential to come lower to grab some of these lows in ES. Maybe we take a short in ES. We just take a short in ES. Maybe it's time. Gold is doing something interesting right now. Is finding support here on this area here. This area candle still very bullish anyway. 1 hour chart, we've taken to this area of support, but taking this low to be taking this long right now after this massive sell, it's like trying to time the bottom. Don't like to do that. I don't want to try to aim right now the bottom to take a long when I see this downside. Nope. This was could have been an interesting trade if it did this. Tack, take this low. Oh, freaking hell. Taking these highs here and close red, I would have looked for a short. Continuation lower up to these lows. And that was my idea when I saw it. But it did not happen at all. It just came and this one was never taken out. So we're going to leave it there. We're going to wait until the 10:30 to see if an entry comes. And if an entry does not come, guys, we have to be in peace with ourselves. We have not seen our entries. And it's peace and love. Peace and love. We're not going to force entries. We're going to wait for it. If you force entries, then you took losses, you just regret it afterwards. If you force entries, you take wins, tomorrow you're going to regret it. Because the market is going to teach you a lesson tomorrow. What's your job, Mohammed? I'm waiting, guys, to see if it wants to like create some selling pressure right now, stop out some people and continue lower. I would be happy to take that short. Wow. So this is some buyers for me that it seems, from my point, they will get trapped. Some buyers stepping in, looking for the things to reverse, support, and I hope they get trapped somewhere. I had to vent his out. I organized the parts of fabrication of Rithmic Shop in 20 nanometers technology. Ew. Sounds complicated. Sounds complicated. Sounds I don't like it. Sounds that I don't like it. Now there is, that's the point of these fair value gaps. Now there is a fair value gap here, right? This is another fair value gap. Is this fair value gap good? Is this fair value gap good? Or is this one is good? Yeah, that's for me, it's bullshit. I don't know, guys. Is this one good? Is this one good? Which value gap is good? Fair value gap on the 50 minutes, on the 1 hour, on the 50 minutes, on the 2 days. But I bet it's easier than trading. Yes, everything is easier than trading. Everything. Looking for these guys. Looking for this candle to get stopped out. But this candle is a really beautiful candle here. It's a beautiful pink candle. But for how I trade, and I like how my trading style in this last period is, and I look for less trade as possible. Even if this one looks a beautiful short from this candle here, perspective wise. Why the heck I have two of these ones? Let me remove one. And I like this short idea here. Stop loss target here. I would love to see this to get stopped out. So if I have to take an entry, maybe somewhere here. And it's okay if it does not happen. It's okay. We wait. If that happens, we're happy to take a short. If that does not happen, we don't take a short, and we move on the day. Peace and love. Life is good. We just want to some of these new short people that came out get stopped out, and some of them more buying people here create some more liquidity to this stop bottom loss here. Let's see. Let them do it, guys. I have to go to the toilet. Freaking hell. Coming back 1 second. Just stay here. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. I'm back. Merry Christmas to anyone that celebrates it, guys. Enjoy your holiday. Enjoy it, guys. See each other's tomorrow if you're here. Okay, guys, they're coming back. Let's see if they want to stop them out before going lower. I would be interested for this short idea. It would be amazing. Something like that. Watching this, yeah. This is especially if are you still long because your stop loss is here. I'm looking for shorts. Crazy. How two people can say different things. That's the beauty of this trading. Now it did take that previous little high here, did it? It's doing it right now. I need to see NQ doing it, not MNQ. I need to see NQ doing it. Little, come on. Man, surfing here, I really enjoyed surfing, man. Surfing is fun. When you have a good instructor that teach you, makes so much difference. Good luck, Jose, for sure. If this does not give me an entry, man, I wish this thing flies away. Okay, now NQ did it. We'll look for, let's see what it wants to do right now. What happened? A few things happened there. Let's see. Holding for the moment, the push. Our Jose is back almost to break even. Almost in break even, Jose. Maybe it's that this is a range day, guys. Good chance this is just a range day. Actually, now that we've taken both. Oh no, we've not taken yesterday's highs. We've taken only previous day's low. Yeah, I do. Sometimes I do. I go back. I went to study all my last week trades. Yesterday, I did as well. My trades of yesterday. I did. I did. I did. I did, but I don't push pressure on them. Yesterday, what I've done, my mistake of yesterday when I looked back at the trade is the fact that I had this area here, resistance, become support. This candle did not close lower, and I FOMO with my entry here, and then I averaged down $300 loss, but I could have done much better. Let's see which wants to do something. I think I have to really reduce red trades, and sometimes they come from FOMO, not like waiting. For example, if this candle right now, I see it, for example, right now, sitting skyrocketing to the downside, I might FOMO to get an entry, then see it closing above, and I'm like, fuck, I should have just waited for it to close. So I'm be patient, let it close whatever it wants to close, and if it wants to give me a better entry, I'm happy. If not, we leave it there. If not, we'll leave it there. I don't want to take many trades. I want to take 1, 2, 3 good trades per week, and that's enough. Even yesterday, I had better trades idea than that one. Reducing trade isn't a mistake. That is a symptom. I don't understand what. No, I didn't say reducing trade isn't a mistake. I want to reduce trades. Over trading is, from my point, a killer of balance. At least on my trading style. We might not take any trades, guys. We're done. I'm okay with it. Didn't see, honestly, I didn't see it. Even the short, I didn't see it. I was mostly short here. If we started the market and closed lower this level, I would have shorted 100%. Did not happen. I take too many trades. That isn't a mistake. It's just what happens if you make mistakes. I'm just saying, you say I take too many red trades. That isn't a mistake. It's just what happens if you make mistakes. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I just want to avoid red trades. Because I have many that I'm not good. Like yesterday, I took a red trade here that I could have avoided. I took a nice short afterwards, but I missed a gold entry. I missed my gold entry long just because I had already. I could have been in max loss because if this trade was gonna be red, that was my max loss day. So I missed an entry. I'm looking to see if this candle closes lower here to take it. Guys. Looking for the short. Can we get a candle closing below? It does not look. Its look is holding. Its look is holding there. Seven more minutes, and then I call it. Risking 3 contracts, I'm risking $200. No, then I risk 4 contracts. I'm risking $270 to hopefully aim for 414. If that happens. But for the moment, it does not look it wants to happen. For the moment, it's holding. Sadly. Hi, next try Didi. What's up? No, guys. The moment says that what I told look like my strategy is crazy, but sold hard from there. Now looking more like. You said you are more close to the payout as well, right? You said you're close to payout. Guys, I want to be close to payout as well. Just want to rush trades. Oh my god. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. Our Jose is back green. And for me, no trades. Even gold right now, it's bouncing from this area of support. It's coming above. It's finding this resistance as it wants to come back even more short to the next level here. But for me, that's too much aggressive because it means I'm freaking short in this shit. I don't want to do that. So leave it there. M and Q. I just want to see this coming back low. Let's see what wants to do. Wants to do. Ah. Yeah, I'm gonna accept it, guys. I'm gonna accept it. No trades on the day. Wow, wow, wow. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. For MNQ, this website market open low of the day, then close above your level. Will not consider that long. Yes, that's what I thought as well. In a moment, I was like, you're right. You're right. Because I was, to be honest, it's a really good point what you say right now. Because I was like, I'm very bearish below this level. I'm very bearish below this level, and I don't know about this level, but it's true that we swapped previous day's low and closing above. Even by this candle here, you will be already in the trade and stop loss here and still be fine with it. This is like a swept, and that's it, and it just continue higher. That's a really good point, man. Yeah, today was like a range day. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, today I missed a mark. Probably a long here and a short here. It's true that yeah, I did not see. I didn't think about the New York lows, to be honest. It's true that we have the New York opens here. I did not think about that one. It's this candle. Yeah, fuck it. I'm done. See you tomorrow, guys. Yeah, to be honest, yeah, you give me some good points there. I have to go for a meeting. No, not race for me today. I'm fine with it. Have a good time, guys. See you tomorrow. Last day for 80% off today with Apex. For the rest, guys, love you all. Good luck with your trading. Hey! Is this coming that low? No, it's not coming. See you. Have a good one. Love you all. If I take something, I will let you know, guys. As always in Discord, always transparent, not hiding shit. Have a good one, guys. I go surf. Honestly, my hand still hurts. So I'm gonna go running today at the beach. So I think I'm gonna do that. Enjoy, guys. Have a good one. Thank you so much as always.